Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our sports and math kit. Soccer is a sport in which players kick a ball from player to player and then try to kick it through past the goalie into the goal to score a point. We are going to take that idea and play a little game with it, which we're going to gather some data to help us see if there's a possibility that one person can always win this game. So first off, we need to understand some terms. There's the vertices, which are the dots that make up each one of these circles on the board. They're vertices, which we are going to connect with an edge or a line. So we'll connect one to the other with an edge or a line. And then if I've connected all these spaces, so this area is called the face. So in order to play this game, students are going to take turns and they're just going to draw a line from one vertice to the next, and then they're going to connect it with a dot. Now the rules state that you cannot connect a vertice cannot have more than 3 lines connected to it. The other rule says that you cannot cross a line, that's can't be done. So players are going to do what I just did, taking turns, going from one player to another, connecting vertices and drawing another vertex or another point. So you're going to keep doing this, and once you have one that has 3 lines to it, like this one here, 1, 2, 3, you cannot do another line to that spot. So you just keep connecting points, like I can draw one from this dot to that dot, and I can put a dot here, but this now has 3, so I can't add any more. This one now has 3, I can't add any more, and this one has 3. So I can't add anything more to these 4 dots that I've created. So I can draw a line from this player to that player, put a dot in between. So if you kind of think of it as players kicking the ball and then another player filling in a space. So I could do that, and now we have to look and see if there's any other play we can do. This has 3, this has 3, 3, this one has 1, but I can't reach it without crossing a line. This one has 3, this has 2, and this has 2. But I don't see any other moves I can make. So the game is over, and the last person to create a line with a dot wins that game. So you take note of who won and who went first and who went second. Then we're going to start to fill in this form here with a number of things. So number of vertices, we're going to count out the number of dots we have on the board. So it's 1, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of edges, so it's the number of lines. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of faces, so I have 1 face here, 2, 3. Now number of vertices with 3 edges. I have, this one has 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like I have 4. Number of vertices with 2, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one right there. I have 4. And that says who won. Person went first or second, you take note of that. So once you have that data filled in, you're going to look, see if there's any patterns that you see. Is there anything that you noticed? Play the game again and see if there's a different outcome. Make sure you record that information on your sheet again. And we want to make sure that we're playing with different boards. Doesn't matter if I have started with 4 vertices on it. I can add another vertice to start the game. Another person in a t-shirt to start the game. So there's different ways you can change or alter this to see if your data changes on the and who wins and who doesn't. So this is all about gathering data, but also learning about this great vocabulary. So enjoy.